I think the best thing about working in the Grand is how flexible they are with what we can do, and just the space itself is really beautiful. So we have the opportunity to work in these kind of discrete gallery spaces, but then they also have you know, sort of individual rooms where that can accommodate projects. And so I think the range of spaces is really unique, and the fact that they're really flexible with how we use those spaces. So students can create works that are suspended from the ceiling. They can create works that are on the floor. They can hang heavy objects. They can hang lightweight objects. They've been really gracious about how they've let us transform the space.
Kind of been into like a glitter glam theme from a disco New Year's Eve party I went to this year, and it's just kind of trickled into my projects. My name is Angela Hummel, and I'm intermediate installation. Each little polka dot on the disc, I guess you could call it, is mirrored, and the light reflects off, illuminating other parts of the room by the natural light with the sun.
I'm Roscoe Rush, student at MSU, sculpture major. Kind of wanted to look at it and just go, how does that all put together? Because you got the box up top. I'm going to try and hide it, so I kind of wanted to look at it and go, how is that so high up?
My name's EDSON ROSAS, and this is for the advanced intermediate installation at Minnesota State University. So right now I'm working, kind of focusing on the word faggot, which kind of has been part of my life and other people involved with the LGBT community. It's kind of followed them around. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of desensitizing the word and also bringing attention to it. What I want is the lights will actually be off, and the only light source will be coming from the TV. And then, so I want the viewer to be drawn to the TV, and there will be audio. So in the audio, kind of what will be going on is I'm asking Paul his experience kind of in college and high school and coming out and stuff like that, and any like hardships and how he feels about the word faggot too. At
this level, the students are really guiding their own ideas. So these are our advanced and intermediate students, and so I really want to give them a lot of flexibility in terms of, you know, the sort of conceptual impetus for their projects, but the parameters are really that they have to engage with the architecture of the site, and that they have to think about the audience and how the audience sort of interacts within that architecture, and how their work sort of changes the audience's interaction with the architecture. So the idea is to create something that the viewers are not only sort of looking at, but that they're really engaging with in a different way than how they would engage with sort of like an autonomous drawing or painting hung on the wall.